Meaning of guesstimate.
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 Guesstimate. Guesstimate is a colloquial word that combines guess and estimate. It refers to an educated guess or rough estimation made without complete or accurate information. Guesstimates are commonly used in situations where the available data is insufficient, uncertain, or unreliable, requiring individuals to make their best guess estimate based on their experience, intuition, and knowledge. They are frequently used in business, science, and everyday life to make quick decisions or assess risks. While not as accurate as precise estimates, guesstimates can provide valuable insight into a situation and help drive informed decision-making.